Hi friends, I am Ram Patil. Welcome to my channel Make Guru. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the regular notifications. So today's our topic is numerical on Porter governor. So let's go through it. So, hi friends, today's our topic is on numerical on Porter governor. So let's start. A Porter governor has equal arms, each 250 mm long and pivoted on axis of rotation. See, first of all, our first step is write down the given things. So put it the given things. Put on equal arms, each 250 mm long. So this is the arm. So this is the arm of Porter governor, and lower one it is the link of governor. But in this case, the Porter governor has equal arms, means जो लिंक है और आर्म है उन्हें आर्म ही कहा गया है. Equal arms means BP is equal to BD. So what are the given things? BP is equal to BD is equal to 250 mm. Convert it is in mm, convert it is into meter. It is for calculation purpose. Next, each on the axis of rotation P. P is the point of pivot. Okay, P is the point of pivot. Each ball has a mass of 5 kg. So mass of ball, there are two fly balls are there. We have taken the half portion. That's why this is the fly ball. Okay, this is the fly ball having mass 5 kg. Mass of fly ball denoted by small m. Mass of the central load on the sleeve. See, here it is the sleeve and here central load is connected as we have already seen in previous lectures. In case of Porter's governor, at point D there is a central load is connected. So the central load of sleeve having the mass of 15 kg. So capital M denoted by capital M, 15 kg. The radius of rotation of the ball is 150 mm when the governor begins to lift and 200 mm when governor is at maximum speed. So see, there are two cases are given. First case, इस न्यूमेरिकल में डायग्राम नहीं दिया गया है तो हमें डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना होगा. So there are two cases are given when the speed is at minimum and when the speed is at maximum position. So these are the two different things. Okay. So first case, what is the first case? Radius of the rotation of the ball is 150 mm when the governor begins to lift. Means R1 is the radius of rotation. Radius of rotation. How much it is given? 150 mm. Converted into meter, that will be 0.15 meter. Okay. Whence governor begins to lift, means in the starting. When the governor begins to lift, the radius of rotation will be 150 mm and 200 mm when the governor is at maximum speed. So it will be the R2. What is the R2? 200 mm divided by 1000. If you are to convert it into meter, then it will be 0.2 meter. Okay. So these are the given things. We have written all the given things. Now we have to write down the calculated things. What we have to calculate? What we have to calculate? So what we have to calculate? Find the minimum and maximum speed when the and range of speed. So first thing we have to calculate minimum speed, that is N1 at R1. Second case N2 at R2. And third case range of speed means difference, that is range of speed is nothing but difference, that is N1 minus N2 is equal to how much? So these three things we have to find out. Now the final step of our numerical is solution. Okay. तो कैलकुलेट करते समय पहले न्यूमेरिकल में क्या दिया गया है और ये क्या पूछा गया है, क्या दिया गया है और क्या पूछा गया है, इस थिंग्स में कोरिलेट कीजिए. In the numerical, we have asked the speed of the governor. That's why we know in case of Porta governor, speed is given by formula. We have the standard formula to calculate the speed. N square is equal to small m plus capital M upon small m into 895 upon h. So this is the standard formula to calculate the speed of Porter governor. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate first minimum speed n1 at r1, means radius of rotation r1. See, this is the r1, this is point G. Okay, r1 initial when speed is minimum. This is the radius of rotation bg. R1 is equal to bg is equal to how much? How much it is given? 150 mm. See, all quantities are in meter. That's why we have to convert it. 150 mm means convert it into meter. 150 divided by 1000 means 0.15 meter. So we will write down the formula to calculate speed. First of all, हमें ये जो फॉर्मूला है इसमें कौन सी गिवन चीजें दी गई है और हमें क्या निकालना होगा. तो n हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. तो लुक एट दिस फॉर्मूला. स्मॉल m, सी स्मॉल m हमें दिया है, कैपिटल m भी हमें पता है, स्मॉल m पता है, into 895 upon h. H means nothing but it is the height of governor. See, h. So in this case, h is not given to us. That's why first of all we have to calculate h first. So now look at this first condition of diagram. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle BGP. BGP is the right angle triangle. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, BP square is equal to BG square plus hypotenuse square plus BG square plus PG square. So this is the formula. By putting the value of H, BP square is equal to BG square plus PG square is nothing but is the H1 square. Therefore H1 square is equal to H1 square. ये H1 ये BP इधर है तो ये BG इधर जाएगा minus BG square. If you are taken the square root, then H1 is equal to square root of BP square minus BG square. By putting the values of BP and BG, BP, what is the value of BP? 0.25 square minus BG. BG value is 0.15 square. After the calculation with the help of calci, 0.25 square minus 0.15 square is equal to taking the square root, so 0.2. So H1 value will be 0.2 meter. So the H1 value we have calculated, that is the 0.2 meter. So for the first case, we have formula to calculate N1 is N1 square is equal to small m plus capital M divided by small m into 895 upon H1. So this is the formula to calculate the minimum speed. By putting the values here, small m, what is the small m value? It is 5 kg plus capital M how much? 15 kg upon 5 into 895 upon h1. H1 we have already calculated here. See, this is the h1 value. So by calculating 5 plus 50, that is 20 into 895 divided by 5 into 0.2. So it will be 7,1900. So by taking the square root, the value will be N1 will be 133.8 RPM. 133.79 9 है इसलिए हमें ये राउंड ऑफ करना होगा 133.8 RPM. So this is the answer of first. After getting answer, don't forget to do the bracket to your answer for the checker. So your answer will be easily checked. Now the second case, what is the second case? We have to calculate N2 at R2. For R2, we have to consider the condition of maximum speed. This is the R2. How much is the R2? R2 is nothing but it is the BG. For maximum position, BG will be 200 mm. It is nothing but 0.2 meter. Now the same case, we have to calculate. Here we have calculated H1. In this case, we have to calculate this H2. So what is the formula for to calculate H2? See, this triangle BGP is also the right angle triangle. ये right angle triangle है. So right angle triangle के केस में according to Pythagoras theorem, BP square is equal to BG square plus PG square. So BP square is equal to BG square. PG मतलब क्या है? H2 square. Okay. So if you have calculated, we have to calculate H2. So H2 square will be BP square minus BG square. Opposite sides में minus होगा. So H2 will be, we have taken the square root of bracket, H2 BP square. What will be the value of BP square? 0.25 square minus BG square. What will be the BG? That is 0.2 square. So after the calculation, with the help of calci, 0.25 square minus 0.2 square. After taking the square root, the value will be 0.15. So H2 will be 0.15 meter. So this is the H2. So now we have a formula to calculate N2. So N2 square will be same formula as it is the previous one. N1 square का जो formula है वैसे ही N2 का formula है. So small m plus capital M divided by small m into 895 upon H2. N2 है तो यहाँ पे H2 आएगा. So by putting the value, small m will be the 5, capital M कितना है 15 है, same 5 into 895 upon H2. H2 we have calculated, that is 0.15. So after calculating with the help of Kelsey, 5 plus 15, that is 20 into 895, sorry, 20 into 895 divided by 5 into 0.15. So it will be, after taking square root, the answer will be 154.5. So N2 will be 154.5 RPM. So this is the answer for N2. Don't forget to do the bracket. Now the final case, what we have to calculate, that is range of speed. Range of speed is nothing but it is the difference, that is N2 maximum minus minimum, N2 minus N1. So how much, what will be N2? 154.5 minus 133.8. So your answer will be 20.7 RPM because it is speed, that's why it is in RPM. So range will be 20.7 RPM. This is answer of third.
सो थैंक्स फ्रेंड, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। यदि आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मेरे चैनल में गुरु को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें, ताकि आपको मेरे चैनल के नए नोटिफिकेशन, मेरे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहे।